Is bars leaks any good for motorcycles? No. Yes, in some cases it can help for a short term, maybe, who knows? Could be a week, could be a day, could be a year. But one thing I do know is on a motorcycle, you're only getting yourself into a much bigger problem. First of all, this is my head gasket right here. I have a 1983 Honda VF 1100. This is the original gasket. Now, I will say I am impressed because it tried to work. The bars leak tried to work. As you can see here, if you look right there, that white stuff, that white ring, that's all bars leaks, all the way around. 30-something-year-old gasket, it had enough, so it started splitting. Pretty much, there ain't shit that's gonna be done for that. But I tried everything, not knowing that this is how severe it was, because I'm not an idiot. I would not try bars leaks if I known that my gasket was like this. However, yes, it tried, and I'm a little impressed because it was doing its job. However, a little bit too good of a job, because if you, I'll show you here, if you look at inside the casing here, my cylinder, where my water goes through, make sure you can see that. Okay, here we go. Okay, down in there. In there. If you look on the edge. Hold on, that's a better way. Better idea. Down there, if you look around the edge, see all that white stuff, all that buildup? That's all bars leaks. All in there. See that? Bars leaks. Bars leaks. It's all sealing up all of my waterways from my cooling system. Now, looking at this, I know there's other buildups throughout the whole block, or I should say casing. So basically, I've gone from, if I would have ordered the gasket like I did already, now the gasket's coming, the only gasket I can find. But if I would have ordered it from the beginning, flip this around. This is crazy. What the fuck is going on here? That is ridiculous. Anyway, if I would have ordered the gasket from the beginning, I wouldn't have to clean out my whole system now. And it's going to be a pain in the ass. So, bars leaks, no, not on bikes. You're wasting your time, causing a bigger problem. Out.